We have a triple threat of weather concerns as we go into Saturday on what is a sneaky active weather day across the area. I'm meteorologist Joe Martucci. We have the winds, possibly even damaging winds as we go into Saturday afternoon and evening. We have the snow squalls to talk about during the afternoon and an enhanced risk for wildfires spread here. So there's plenty to talk about, and let's get to it. We'll start off with the winds. Wind advisory in effect for damaging or power outage worthy winds from 1 to 10 p.m. on Saturday for all of South Jersey, all the Jersey Shore, all the Garden State. Friday night, we'll see temperatures in the low to mid 20s everywhere here. That's on the lower end of seasonable for this time of the year. And let's get into Saturday. Here's a look at our forecast gusts. Not that bad during the morning hours. That's when you want to take in your loose objects and cut down tree branches. But as we go into the afternoon, winds in the 30s, gusts in the 40s, I think between about 3 to 9 p.m. here, getting up to as high as 50 miles an hour. I think this model's underdoing it a little bit. And as we go overnight, these winds will slowly diminish. Wildfire risk spread, again, is in the realm of possibility as we go into Saturday here. You want to make sure you limit your burning. The saving grace from all this, our ground not all that dry here, so that's going to help to mitigate some of this. But again, if you don't have to burn, don't on your Saturday. Now I'll talk about that snow squall here. You get a little snow globe effect when one of these comes on through. It's a brief but intense round of snow. This is 3 o'clock on Saturday. Notice a little bit of rain on that eastern edge. Rain could turn into that heavy snow here, but it's gone very quickly. But you see by 4 o'clock, it's already offshore. So really, we're talking about at most 15, maybe 20 minutes of snow here. But again, it's an intense burst of snow and winds. It's kind of the wintertime cousin to thunderstorms. It's short, can bring deteriorating conditions. If you're caught in a snow squall, you're in your car, just pull over for a couple of minutes, and then it will pass. This is our temperatures with our wind chills here as we go into Saturday at 7 a.m. Wind chills in the 20s here up to about 11 a.m. Nothing unusual for us as we go into mid-February. But notice that sharp drop as we go into the afternoon hours. Usually by 3 o'clock, that's our warmest part of the day. Not so fast here. Wind chills will be dropping, and they only continue to drop into the evening. Wind chills in the teens just around 7 o'clock, and we'll be in the single digits as we go overnight. So for our Saturday, high temperatures in the mid-40s, but that's going to be right before that front comes through. Once it does, we are down to freezing, and we'll drop into the teens here across the area. Taking a look at our shore weekend forecast, snow, rain with that snow squall between 1 to 5 p.m. Again, should just be for about 15 minutes or so here. Very windy too. And then Sunday, calmer, drier, chillier with high temperatures in the upper 30s. As we go into Sunday, there's that high pressure system sitting right over North Carolina. We're firmly in its influence, and we will have a dry and not as windy day. But then as we go into the early part of next week, the jet stream, the river of air that separates cooler and warmer air masses, will be to our north, and we'll be talking about warmer air as we go into next week. Here's a look at our inland 7-day forecast. Sunday, again, the coldest day of our weekend, 34 degrees for our high temperature, 28 for the low on Sunday night, and then right up into the 50s, and we're in the 50s, if not 60s, every day next week except for one day, and that would be Thursday here. But Monday, I think, is our most comfortable day of the week with the President's Day holiday. Tuesday, wet and windy. Wednesday, 65 degrees, getting close to those record highs, but then we're back to seasonable on Thursday. Flip on over to the shore 7-day, staying in the mid-40s there. And then for Friday, we're going to be watching for a storm system that can bring some snow. Still plenty of time to talk about it. Well, more on that as we go into next week. Have a great weekend, everybody. And while you have some downtime this weekend, take our weather survey. I want to know what you want to see in our weather videos, whether it's forecasts, explainers, everything that I do here at The Press. You can win one of 4 gift cards, and you can do that by going to our website at pressafac.com/weather.